Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you might be watching us from. Welcome to Millennium Electrical Hub. Some people may be wondering, how are we getting this electrical lighting installation done? How are they passing wire through the pipes? It's not magic, it is by handwork. And let me tell you the secret. This right here is the one that's getting the job done. This is called fishing tape. This is what we put into into the pipes to drag the wire to where it is going. So and some people may be wondering in my previous video that why why is this wire like this? Why is this wire like this? Why is it like this? Why can't the wire just be like this? Why did they cut the wire? And the other one, some people may be wondering, I don't know. Why can't they just cut it? Sorry, we can't. We can't cut it. So let me tell you the reason why. So in this building, in this building, we plan for only four, only four AC. We plan for only four AC here. So the later said they want to add two more, and they put it right here. They put one here, and they put the other one there, making six. So and before the AC, it was what AC they wanted to use here, but they later switched it to suspended ceiling AC. As you can see, as you can see, that is what that is the AC they are using here. So some electrician may be panicking that why are they using, we only plan for four and the later said it's six. But we did not panic based on electrician experience and installation experience. So the first thing that we did here is that since it is coming from the DB, we just put both the first AC and the second AC together. So this is why this is here. So this one is still going to the second AC there. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. As you can see, there is two red, two black. So and we haven't, as you can see, we haven't um installed the tail AC. It means that this is the two load coming from the DB. One is going there and one is stopping here. So that's the reason why we just put it there. So for the finishing tape, this is the one that is going to get the job done. So yesterday I laid the pipe down there that is going to connect to where the wire is. So what will I what I will just do is that I will just fish it. As you can see, it has like hole in it. So just have to put it in there, then fish it, fish it, fish it, fish it till it come out there, till it will come out there. So you drag the wire into the pipe and stop where it's going there. So that's how we do our job, and that's what most electricians use. It's mostly yes. Thank you for watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. Have a good day. And you can always call us for job and call us for work at an affordable price. Thank you.